So this is the Small Rig L090, and I love this. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little handhold here. So again, opening it up, you can even leave this in here. So here's my breakdown at the end of the day. And here is my setup at the start of the day. There you go. And then this comes with the internal white diffusion screen. Take this out, open this up, and there's two of them. You can put one of them in the back, so you can soften that light, or you can just put one in the front, or you can put one in the front and one in the back. And you simply line these up, and they Velcro right on. Sorry, they hook and loop fastener right on. So if I hadn't been talking, that would have been, what, 30 seconds? And taking it down is just as easy. You flick these switches and it collapses back on itself. This came with the light. I'm going to snap this into here. This little button here is spring-loaded, so I'm going to pull back that button. And that's snapped in. That's all you have to do to put the connector there. All I have to do to connect it is put the adapter on and turn it. Now in a couple of seconds, I have this giant Small Rig light adapter to go on that. It goes back down just as easily. You squeeze these two pieces here. Here, let me take this off. Take the adapter off. All you got to do to pop it back down is that. And now you can fold it up and put it away. That's it. I love this Small Rig softbox. Links to the Small Rig and the iFootage light that is connected to are in the description below. Do you use stuff from Small Rig? I find their equipment really good. If you are, let me know in the comments below. If you're using something else and you think I should try it, let me know that in the comments below as well. For Dave Tries This, I'm David Schloss, and as always, thanks so much for giving this a try.